Yo, yo, YouTube, Chris Grow back with another pack. Now this is from AliExpress, another pair of shoes. Let's get into it. As you see the label, Kobe, it's a Kobe 9 Elite XDR. These are, I think these are the purple and yellow ones. Well, let's get them out. See, got Nike Check, silver Nike Check, purple, the purple and these are what call it Showtime. The purple and yellow. Got red stripes on the back. But it'll be a further review on these. So as I say in every video, like, comment, subscribe, YouTube. Peace.